Dr. Banda Prakash ji, please.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, we support the bill on behalf of our Telangana Rashtra Samiti. Sir, the bill seeks to establish the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development as the principal development financial institutions for the infrastructure financing. DFI are set up for providing long-term finance for such segments of the economy where the risk involved are behind the acceptable limits of the commercial banks and ordinary financial institutions. Unlike banks, DFI do not accept deposits from the people. The source of funds from the market, government, as well as multilateral institutions, and are often supported through government guarantees. Sir, initially the central government will own 100% shares of the institution, which may subsequently reduce to 26%, might be 74% through FDI. Financial objectives will be directly, indirectly lend, invest, attract investment for infrastructure projects located entirely or partly in India. Central government will prescribe the sectors to be covered under the infrastructure domain. Such, the central government will provide grants worth of rupees 5,000 crores to this bank by the end of first financial year. The government will also provide guarantee as a conditional rate of up to 0.1% for borrowings from the multilateral institutions and sovereign wealth funds and other foreign funds. Sir, the bill also provide for any person to set up DFI by applying to RBI. RBI may grant a license for DFI in consultation with the Government of India. Sir, setting up a new DFI in India through budgetary and legislative measures is not a difficult task, but big challenge will be emerge once established. It should ensure that it will be well capitalized and well managed and remain committed to its distinct goal and core values, sir. As our Dr. Jairam Ramesh ji mentioned, there should be some controls on such institutions. I request the Honorable Finance Minister also. It can be amended without any controls from such institutions. It will only on faith if it has to run. It is very difficult in the present Indian conditions. Once again, I request Honorable Finance Minister it is a good initiative they have taken. This is the high time to mobilize resources because Government of India now taking up almost all 900 infrastructure projects in the country. Therefore, it should be effectively maintained. For that, whatever the controls we have to make,
Please conclude, Dr. Banda.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Banda Prakash ji.